All right, we have some big news coming in with regards to the Amethi seat, where Robert Vadra, it appears, is very keen to contest. He is Sonia Gandhi's son-in-law, Priyanka Gandhi's husband. Robert Vadra there saying, if the Congress party wants, I am ready and willing to contest. He says can also contest Moradabad or Haryana if the party wishes. Suspense over Rahul Gandhi's candidature still looms on Amethi. Remember, in fact, Smriti Irani is really having a field day, even at this point, when the first phase of elections are yet to begin. Basically, in just 4 days, the first phase to begin, but the Congress has not declared a candidate for Amethi, despite it at one point being a home seat for the Congress party. So will or will not Rahul Gandhi stand from Amethi as well? Or is it going to be Robert Vadra? Congress yet to even pick a name for Sonia Gandhi's turf, Rai Bareli. At this point, Robert Vadra has spoken. Let's hear it.
चाहे मैं राजनीति में हूं या ना हूं, मेरा ज़रूर मेरी मेहनत जारी रहेगी और लोगों के बीच में रहने की। और हाँ, रही बात तो पूरे देश से पुकार आ रही है कि आप सक्रिय राजनीति में आइए। और ज़रूर अगर कांग्रेस को लगेगा कि मैं कुछ फ़र्क ला सकता हूं, या जो भी क्षेत्र में प्रगति की उनको लगेगा कि मैं कुछ फ़र्क ला सकता हूं या प्रगति वहां ला सकता हूं, तो ज़रूर मैं आऊँगा। पर ये नहीं है कि अमेठी से, मुरादाबाद से भी है और हरियाणा से भी अलग अलग लोग मेरी विनती कर रहे हैं कि मैं सक्रिय राजनीति में आऊँ और उनका क्षेत्र को चुनूँ।
All right, I'm going to cut across to Rahul Gautam, our correspondent, joining us live for more on that. Rahul, Robert Vadra has been constantly saying that the people at large want him to contest, that he's hearing voices boosting him and egging him on to jump into politics, to take that plunge. He claims that there are posters in places where they're really urging Robert Vadra to take the political plunge. It's certainly going to be shocking if the Congress does declare his name, but where is this coming from? Is the statement coming from Robert Vadra does it hold any waters? Does it have any foundation? Is the Congress keen on fielding Robert Vadra from literally anywhere?
Well, we all know that Robert Vadra has been expressing his political aspirations. I remember back in 2019, also there were talks that how he wanted to contest from Moradabad seats and how his supporters wanted him to take this political plunge. However, as far as Congress party is concerned, sources have indicated to us that at this point of time, there are no serious talks happening. In fact, the Moradabad seat that was referred by Mr. Vadra, nomination dates are already over for that particular seat, and that seat is going to poll in next 2 days. On 19th of April, voting will conclude on Moradabad seat. As far as Haryana is concerned, yes, there are some candidates which are yet to be announced. But as far as Congress party is concerned, at this point of time, there are no serious talks happening revolving Mr. Robert Vadra. However, a very senior leader, has suggested that if his name comes in from the Gandhi family itself, then they're going to ponder upon it, and in all likelihood, a party ticket would be given to Mr. Robert Vadra. But at this point of time, there are no serious talks happening. One thing we must understand that Mr. Vadra has been expressing his political aspirations, not just this time around, back in 2019 as well. This time also he referred to Amethi, Rai Bareli, Moradabad. However, at party level, at organization level, his name has not been sent to CAC
right.
for any particular seat. But if his name comes in or gets recommended by Nehru Gandhi family, the party will be seriously considered, and he's likely to get a ticket then from that particular seat.
A quick word, Rahul Gautam. What happens to candidates from the Congress for Amethi and Rai Bareli, two of their home seats at one point? The Congress hasn't really announced a name. What's happening on that front?
Well, Amethi and Rai Bareli, these are only 2 seats that are remaining, which are yet to be announced by Congress party in Uttar Pradesh. We've been informed that a decision in this regard would be taken after, a polling gets completed in Wayanad. That's going to be 26th of April, and then a decision would be taken in this regard. As far as these two seats are concerned, we've been informed that Nehru Gandhi family will take a final call at whether Rahul Gandhi or Priyanka Gandhi is going to contest from Amethi or Rai Bareli. However, at this point of time, nothing is confirmed. Nothing has not been
All right.
has been locked at this point of time.
All right, so we're going to wait infinitely for that decision to come out. Thanks very much, Rahul Gautam, for joining us on that.